Julian's garden. It's a little bit sunny at the moment. I hope you can see me well. But anyway, I just received a little package of my last bundle of the bare-rooted rose for 2022. Let's go ahead and open it. And by the way, if you haven't watched my other two videos, I unboxed my other two bundles of the bare-rooted roses, and please go ahead to go back with those videos. I will link both those videos in the description below, so if you'd like to have a look at them. Anyway, let's go ahead to open this. This is only few variety, by the way, and because I decided in the very last minute to order them, so I'm not expecting they will have a good quality or anything, because I think normally the company normally send out about the bare-rooted rose to the people who buy the first. They send them first, and think they take the order from that. Anyway, here I just open this. Can you see me well? Alright, here you see. Do you see that? Only few roses, I think only 4 or 5, I think. Okay, so here the box like this when I open, and so on the bare-rooted rose they in the plastic content, plastic bag, and on the top they got what is it, newspaper or wet newspaper. So first let me look it over here. First we got Cardinals. This one doesn't have a picture go on with this. So the name like this, I think it's more like French rose. I think so. I haven't read much about this. This one is called Cardinals. Let's see the stem. The stem look healthy, or not a new growth. The roots not too bad, but the stem are small though. Look at that. I think this one only 1 year old bare-rooted rose. Okay. Let's go to the next one. Okay, the next one, I think this one even smaller. The stem are super small. Look at that. You know, if you cooking barbecue and sometimes you put the meat into the, you know, the bamboo stick or something, like skewered. And this one is actually the same size like that. And big root system though, but 3 tiny little stems. And I think it's, again, I think only 1 bare-rooted rose. Okay, this variety is called Vanessa Bell. I think new variety in Australia this year, but I know in America they got sale. I don't know how long they have, but they have before in Australia. Okay, this is David Austin rose, by the way. I hope you can see me well though, because very bright. Okay, let's see the next one. The next one, oh, this one even tiny. This one, the prince, and the picture, it doesn't do the justice. This one, the picture is more like deep pink, but actually when I look on the internet, like a lot of information on the internet, the picture of this rose is more like very deep velvety red color, and 2 tiny little stick over here actually, and the root is okay, but the tiny little stem. Okay. And this one, David Austin Bowie as well. Look at that. Okay, go to the next one. Sentimental. Not sure about the picture of this because I haven't really looked on the picture on the internet much, but I do see some picture from other people. It seems very nice, so that's why I bought it. And the stem of this one and the root system much bigger than the other one I just showed you. But one of the main stem here got very bad damage. I'm not sure you can see it, but very bad damage. I think I just have to cut it off because I don't want to get a fungal infection or something, because I don't want it die off in the future as well. So if I just eliminate it, and then they push more energy to go some other parts of the plant. Okay, and so yeah, let's go to the next one. This one is called Honey Dion. medium. This color is more like honey and coffee color, and again the stem small as well, but again a lot of new buds here, not new growth. Also that is good, and I think again I think only 1 year old bare rooted rose. And as I mentioned at the beginning, I ordered it very late, you know. So, and also this is the first year I ordered from this company. And here's the next one. This one look big. I think this one, I think 2 years old bare rooted rose, this one, because the stem much bigger. A big root system, not a new roots starting to grow as well. And this one, what is called Princess Anne, and I hope this one have beautiful scent as well. So that's really nice. And I love the color as well. And the stem, not too big, but healthy and reasonable size. So really like this one. So overall, I think you got 6 roses in here. So two. They are quite good quality rose, and the other one they are a little bit small. But I know that they have a lot of new growth there, or not the buds there, so I think they will grow. Anyway, oh by the way, the company I ordered this. Let's see if I see the text here. Oh, the label. This one, Wagner's rose. I hope you can see it in Australia. Okay, oh by the way, if you watch my last bare rooted rose unboxing, and I did mention to you the company 9 rose that I ordered on that day, so a lady, she called me, I contact them, and she called me, she said that her company will replace one of the red rose for me. So that is really nice, because I think that variety is called Daniel Moko. Now I just planted it in the garden here. I water it every day. It's still looking super sad, still yellowy. And so yeah, it's nice of her or her company to replace that for me as well. But anyway, I think it's run out of stock, and so I already went to Bandung and bought different type of the red roses. So I called her. I said to her that maybe I should do different color what they have left, because I think at that time I look on their website, it seems they own out of stock. But anyway, so she said why, so I can switch into different color, because I did bought several color in Bunnings, and I add another white variety in there as well. So that is very nice. So yeah, just want to give you the update, and I hope that little red named Daniel Moko will grow. If it grow, it doesn't matter now, because yeah, it needs the company to switch or replace it for me. Actually, replace it for me. So yeah, and I hope that you enjoy seeing this video as well. This is the first time I order from this company, Wagner Rose. And it's nice to see different companies, they do different packagings. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and see you next video. Bye bye.